jury verdict with respect to E. Jean Carroll, Alicia?
Well, to that point, Katie, I want your take on what happened today, because for me as a non-lawyer watching this all play out, Carroll's legal team, Trump's legal team, it's a study in contrast. We've seen that throughout this trial, but today it felt brought into particularly stark relief.
Yeah, and obviously it was punctuated when Donald Trump gets up in the middle of Robbie Kaplan's closing arguments and storms out of the courtroom. And the reason why it was just so impactful is that no one does that, especially in federal court, except Donald Trump thinks that that's something that he's allowed to do. And that completely played perfectly into the theme of the closing arguments for E. Jean Carroll's lawyers. Donald Trump thinks he's above the law. Donald Trump thinks that the law has nothing to do with him. And yet, look at this. He's getting up and he's walking out of the courtroom in the middle of closing arguments. The jurors, they have to be there, Alicia. They're there not by choice. They've been summoned to appear. They are doing their solemn duty, as Lisa refers to. And so they are taking their job seriously. But, you know, Robbie Kaplan really summed it up appropriately, right? When she said the first trial, Donald Trump didn't even bother to show up. But this one is about damages, and this one's about his money, and that's the reason why he's here. But the irreverence that Donald Trump, his lawyers have shown consistently throughout these judicial proceedings just underscores the fact that he thinks, he being Donald Trump, that he is above the law. But, you know, the jurors have the last laugh, don't they? And if they deliver a verdict to the tune of hundreds of millions of dollars, then Donald Trump will certainly be sulking and skulking away.
Well, and Andrew,